Welcome to my Tummy Whispers. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemongrass chicken or serai chicken. It is an excellent accompaniment to the Nasi Padang meal which I made earlier. Or it can be simply eaten with a bowl of white rice too. In a bowl I placed 500 grams of chicken, and to that I added 1/8 cup of Shaoxing wine or Chinese wine, and I added 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and I marinate it and I leave it in the fridge for an hour. I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a frying pan, and to that I added the marinated chickens in a single layer. I will sear it till it turns a tinge of brown, and I'll flip it over. As you can see, the bottom layer of the chicken is getting well seared in the oil. Now it's time to flip over to the other side and let it take its time to get seared on the other side too. Once it turns a tinge of brown, we remove from the pan and keep aside. As you can see, the other side of the chicken is already been seared well. Now we'll give it a final flip over so that all the sides will turn a tinge of golden brown. Once it is evenly golden brown, we will remove it from the pan and keep aside. After removing the seared chicken from the pan, I rinse the pot, and then I placed 2 tablespoons of oil, and I added 1 heaped tablespoon of frozen grated lemongrass. If you can get fresh ones, approximately about 2 pieces, just chop it up into fine pieces and grind it to a paste and add it to the oil and cook it till it's fragrant. To that I added about 3/4 teaspoons of this brand shrimp paste or belacan. Let it sear in the oil till the belacan turns crumbly. Approximately it will take about 2 minutes. To the lemongrass mixture, I added 1 heaped tablespoon of the homemade versatile chili sambal. If you want more curry paste in your chicken dish, you may wish to add half tablespoon more and saute it into the lemongrass mixture and give a good stir. Let all the ingredients get infused in the sambal, and finally we will add the seared chicken into the sambal paste and give it a good mix. Next, I took a golf ball size tamarind and I soaked it in hot water and extracted about 3/4 cup of juice, and I strained it and I added to the lemongrass chicken. I added about half tablespoon of dark brown sugar to the lemongrass chicken. You may wish to add white sugar, but I prefer the subtle sweetness from the raw sugar versus the sharp sweetness from the white sugar. I added half cup of water to the chicken mixture, gave it a good mix, and I closed the lid and I cooked it under high for about 3 minutes. Once the mixture turns dry, I'll dish it out and serve. It smells so good. Our lemongrass chicken is almost ready. We can dish it out and serve it with a bowl of white rice. And it's also an excellent accompaniment to the Nasi Padang set which I posted in my YouTube 2 days ago. I hope you'll give it a try and enjoy your meal.